Get back, asshole! Diamonds, diamonds, diamonds. A lot of
Diamonds,
diamonds.
diamonds!
No, I'm not.
What color are we?
Blue.
We are
Pink.
pink.
Oh.
Ew.
Nova! Hi! Am I a fucking cat yet?
That's creepy staring.
Come here! Come here! Come over here! I'll fuck you up!
Over to the center and get diamond, y'all. Don't worry about the diamonds. You guys just need to let me get the iron.
Okay.
Dude.
Oh!
Go,
Okay,
go,
found
go!
the egg. Oh, here's the iron, Jules.
Another iron generator, mine.
Dusk, bugger off. I need this.
Bugger off!
What are we supposed to do then?
Wait a minute until I can go to the center. Jeez, chill.
Dusk, bugger off!
Never heard her sound more fucking.
Oh, let's go.
Juggling. I be juggling.
Just watch the egg. Make sure nobody takes the over.
I'll try. Where's the egg?
In the freaking middle, you blind freaking
Oh.
slowpoke!
Can we
slow your blunt?
in friggin' Windows Movie Maker?
I saw someone fall!
Oh, someone just saw!
I saw someone!
Oh, look, someone else saw!
Why is that so funny to y'all?
Because usually it's one of us.
Smaller when they fall.
Usually it's one of us.
And I'm just imagining the freaking Looney Tunes thing whenever people fall. The
Bite.
Oh, Nate's a skeleton.
So are you.
Oh, why are you two freaking?
What?
Why are you slimes? Why are you a slime?
Because you have to go over here and choose your class.
Oh, I don't
Anyway,
want to be a skeleton.
I'm going to.
Oh, good lord. Somebody, one of my friends, is asking, you want to watch JoJo's Bizarre Adventure? Hell no.
I'm just looking at Nova, who's a skeleton that's like trying to be like, what up, Golem? You got something to say? You got something to pick with me?
I could do this.
Mine. Flurry of arrows. And then you have another ability, but you have to pull it all the way back. You can't just auto shoot.
Oops.
Holy crap. Those actually go pretty fucking high.
I shot.
Yep.
Ow! That went right in the ditch.
There's another ability that allows you. You can double tap space to double jump.
Ah! Oh, the
And it
bone
goes-
explosion. I remember this.
Hey, Nova. Ow! Ow! What the fuck? Nate! Both of you can fuck off.
Goodbye.
How'd you die?
One of the giant slime came after me.
That was
Oh,
Nate.
I fell off the edge.
Oh, this is a problem. I have to use my slime slam. Ugh.
No, I fell off the edge.
I saw that. Ha! Aw. Ah! What was that? What the hell was that?
Where'd Nate go?
Rude.
Oh, he died.
Yep. What the hell just launched me in the air randomly? Ha! God damn fucking mutt. Fucking mutt! Get out of here! I'm getting bullied. Holy crap! You're so loud. You almost said the word. Come here, 7-Up. I need you, baby. I need you now.
Nope. Ah! No! Oh my god! I got really lucky. Oh, bye. Oh, I didn't die.
For some reason, my compass is tracking Nova.
You could change that, you know.
How? She's my nearest target.
You right click on it.
That's what I'm doing, and it just says Nova's my nearest target.
You missed.
I think I'm stuck.
Ow! Nate! No. I don't die easily.
Ah!
Fuck.
I fell off!
Fuck you!
You do realize that's not Nate, right?
Wait, what?
You were fighting one of his slimes.
No, I wasn't. I was fighting actual Nate.
No, you were fighting one of his slimes.
Are you fucking kidding me? How did it stay up that long then?
Because he pulled it, like, maxed it out.
Oh, I can pull that?
Oh, you hoe! Oh, you hoe! You hoe! You hoe!
To be honest, he's gonna win if you go close
Oh,
range.
Okay, Nova, you're screwed.
Yeah, Nova, you're fucked.
Have fun, Nova. It was nice knowing you.
What is that?
He's gonna activate his
You're
ult.
back.
He's gonna activate his ult. Nate, activate it. I wanna see what the slime
I
one
am
is.
going to do what Tyler does best. Let me smash!
Can-
Oh my god! I turned him out of this! Like, shit!
That was beautiful.
Oh my god! I hurt my own ears. Oh my god! Lord have mercy!
Ends up on NA or team. They're a team as well.
Nova, we're a team!
We're dead.
Yeah, I wonder why they won.
Oh no!
Did you shoot Nova right there at the end?
I shot towards Dusk and it hit Nova.
I see you. Running around as a. Oh, whoa! Do that again. Hold up. Hold on. Let me record that for you. Hold on. Really funny.